Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So in this video, what I'm explaining is, the question is, I want to get ready for JD. JD means job description on the job portal for Tibco Business Works development role. Okay, how Mockstar system will help me to practice mock interviews. Now the scenario is, suppose this particular candidate went on the job site, job portal, and let's say he has couple of years of experience in Tibco Business Works development, and he has identified this particular position. Okay, so naturally for this position there is a JD. So to target this particular JD, he want to practice for mock interview. Okay, so that's a JD based mock interview. How exactly that can happen, that's what we wanted to see. Now what I'm doing basically in this video, I'm showing all the steps in very much detail, so the duration of this video may be long, so have a patience to really watch all the steps properly and understand each and everything. Okay, so I will be really explaining you that in detail, and that will be practical video. This is practical video. So this is the URL of the system, mockstar.myuniversity.com, and in case if you need, so here I am assuming that you already have the access and account of this system. If not, ping me if you have any doubt, any problem, any question, anything you want to ask, or you want the access of this particular system, feel free to drop me the message on WhatsApp. Okay, so let us get started. Now here what we need, firstly we will need the JD. So let us open this particular position and you will see the job description. Okay, so you will see this job description is really short. Okay, so project role description and all that. Let us see that how it turn out. Generally job description will be very detailed, but now whatever you hunted the job description is really very short. So maybe depending on whatever is mentioned over here, so based on that there will be the questions and all that. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Here it is, and here is the job description, or you may say this is Tibco BW6 and 3 to 8 years experience. That's what is expected over here. Let me check this Tibco BW developer. Whatever JD you want to really hunt, for example, here, let me see this particular JD. You will see this JD is really detailed. So ideally such kind of detailed JD will be there. So let us take this particular JD. You need to copy this JD. Okay, up to this point you need to copy this. Let me copy, and this JD I will be requiring to put that my system. Now let me start the system. I'm typing mockstar.myuniversity.com. so assuming that you already have the access of this particular system. If not, anyway you can drop me the message on WhatsApp. So here, let me go back, by mistake I clicked. Here it's a JD based thing. So click on JD based mock interview. Click on start course. So here all the instructions are there. You can read it out. Click on start course and it will ask you your email. So your email must have the access of the system. If not, you can get in touch with me. I will just connect you with my team to take it further. So I'm just giving this thing, checkbox, get access link, and on email I will get the link. So I'm just opening my email and I should get I got the email, your request to Mockstar system. I got that particular email. Let us click on verify email address. Okay, now you will able to log in over there. It doesn't require any password, just the magic link will be there. Click on start course now, and here you need to put your email ID with which you got the authorization. Let me put it. Let me click on first time get started. Many a time it doesn't work whenever you click on first time. What do? refresh, and just put your email ID once again and then say get started. So now you will able to see that it's working. JD based mock interview. If you already given interviews previously with this email ID, you will see the history as well. Go to JD based mock interview, enter the role name. Now what do you do? Whatever your JD is there, the role, so copy this role as it is and put that in the system. Okay, so put that in the system as it is. Then select round, whether you want the technical round or HR round. So there will be 2 rounds, or sometime interview introduction round is also there, but technical HR already contains the introduction part in this case. So let me select technical round. Interview type, so internship job, we are interested in job, so this is irrelevant for us. Job, select job. Now here I need to upload the JD. If your JD is in file, upload that file, or you just copy your JD. I just copy. Now that JD I just want to copy. So this is what the JD is. Up to this point you copy, Control C. I go to system, Control V. This is what the JD I need to just paste. Do not worry about the formatting and all that. The system is intelligent enough to take care of that. Just click on submit form. Form submitted successfully, all good. It's loading. Okay, so interview system is getting loaded. It is asking about the mic permission, camera permission. Just say allow for both the dialogues. So it will give you the camera permission and mic permission both. So mic permission, allow. Both the permission, say yes. Now it is showing you the view, half preview. So ignore that, that's okay. It's just a glitch, but whenever you will get into the interview, you will see the full thing. Click on check voice quality. So hello, 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 hello. I'm just putting some voice in the mic. It says voice quality is good. Read out this instruction, click on the answer button. So there will be interviewer. You need to just click on the answer button, give your answer, speak out your answer, and click on the end answer. You will see that how it happens. And this interviewer also like a real person, in front of you. Use your headphone for the better experience. That's the general instructions here and here. Even if transcription text is inaccurate, it's not that much accurate. Don't worry about that. Okay, so sometime it happens, even lip syncing of my AI avatar, whenever it will talk to you, if that is not perfect, ignore that. That's okay. That doesn't harm your effectiveness of the mock practice, So start interview. And based on your JD, based on your role.
Hope you're having a great
Okay,
day.
let me put the headphone so that
My
I can
name is
hear
Sunil
what he's
and
saying.
I will be your interviewer
He's
for this
Sunil,
round.
by the way.
Let's begin. What are some common challenges you anticipate facing when working with Tibco Business Works?
Okay, so it is saying Tibco. That is the little bit mistake here and there, but Tibco. Okay, we understand that, that's okay. Ignore that. Now I just casually answer some of the questions so that I will have a bad score really to showcase that. Some of the questions I answer seriously. Okay, common challenges you anticipate facing while working on the business works. Okay. Sunil, main challenge whenever I worked on Tibco Business Works project is like incompatible data, proprietary format. So whenever we integrate different applications, standard formats is okay, like XML, JMS, HTTP, all that. But if it is a proprietary format, we really have to spend time to understand the proprietary format, write the code to translate that to the designated data and all that. That's the biggest challenge to work in the integration project in Tibco Business Works, Sunil. Thank you. So just click on end answer once you're done.
Can you share a specific example where you overcame a data format incompatibility issue in Tibco?
It is asking the related question. Whatever your answer previously, it is asking you the related question. Very smart, So just answer that. Let me just answer fastly to give you the feel of it's really taking that. So specific example, I don't really recall, Sunil. Sorry for that.
Imagine you're working on a project with tight deadlines. How would you prioritize your tasks to ensure timely delivery of the integration solution?
Okay, so how you can ensure about the priority and all that, I always fix the meeting with customer and understand that for business what is all is important, and that I take on high priority. Rest will be medium and low priorities. Sunil, thank you. I'm really answering short, but you can answer it in very much detail.
Could you share an example of how you determined priorities on a past project with a demanding timeline?
Basically understood it, the business requirement very well, and depending on the criticalness of that requirement, I just set the priority like 1 to 10.
Explain the concept of a service in Tibco Business Works and how you would create a service to expose functionality to other applications.
So Sunil, service is actually the deployed Tibco Business Works project on some server, and it is providing, like, it has exposed its all operations so that other applications can give a call to that.
Can you elaborate on the specific steps involved in creating and deploying a Tibco Business Works service, focusing on how you expose operations for external access?
Okay, now depending on the detailing in your JD, number of questions and the depth of each questions will depend, If JD is very short, it will be like short interview with short set of questions, but if JD is very much detailed, you will have significant number of questions and significant depth will be there. Number of questions doesn't matter. Anyway, you can have unlimited interviews. You can retry with that same JD, That's what. Okay, let me just pass this question. I say answer, just say I cannot answer it, and I will say end answer. Sorry Sunil, but I cannot recall about this, and sorry about that.
How would you approach unit testing and integration testing of a Tibco Business Works solution, and what tools would you use?
Okay, this time I just say answer and end answer, but you can really give that answer, in detail. I want to show that in the video, that's why I'm just passing it on.
Could you elaborate on your preferred testing approach and tools for Tibco BW, perhaps with a specific example?
Sunil, I generally prefer automated testing, and I can use Selenium and other tools for that. Thank you. Okay, so it's all done. That's what I wanted to show you, and it will generate the detailed scorecard, just like the technical interview outcome. It will really generate the scorecard for you. Let us see. Your score and all will be there, creating the actionable feedback, analyzing your interview, uploading your responses, and everything is there. Awesome. Let's wait. It will take time, there are a lot of answers, a lot of questions, and a lot of audio video file is there, so that's why it is doing that. Okay, so it's saying overall score. That's what I wanted to tell you. 21%. Ideally you should score 90% in all the rounds, then you are ready to face the real interview. So how you can use this system? Basically, before you face the real interview, get it ready over here so that you will not have surprises over there. Okay, so get ready over here. So it will have domain knowledge, and it is telling me what went well and what would have been better. Missing terminologies, which I was supposed to add in my answer, which was missing, and recommended response. It is giving you the standard answer also. So you can study it really, and next time you can give that if such question is there. Okay, so same way articulation for question 1, it is giving you the score, what could be better and all that, and the problem solving also. So how problem solving is reflected in your answer and all that. So it is giving you all the input. Study that well and improve it at the next time. You can go to question 2, question 3. This is all question wise feedback, and you will see the overall feedback over here. You can go to practice history and you will able to see your technical round over here. So this is what your Tibco Business Works Professional, you can see, and this is what your 21 is the score. And by using view analytics, you can actually go and check the scorecard once again. Okay, in case if you have any question or any doubt, in understanding this thing or practicing this thing, feel free to drop me the message. I'm always there to help you out. Okay, perfect. Then you can actually go to other one. This is technical. You can go to HR round also. For example, to go to the HR, always go to the root URL, So if you want to change the interview type, interview round, always go to the root URL, click on JD based mock interview, then click on start course. And now you can see that it has not asked you first name, last name, etc. Just putting my email address. If it is not working, refresh it once. Just a workaround, but let's leave with that. And I say get started. And I click on JD based mock interview, and this time I will say this is what, okay, Tibco BW6 professional. Let me copy that, select round, HR round. Okay, and here you will have job. Just select job and paste the job description. So this is what the job description. Just copy that, don't judge that really. Copy it and paste it as it is over here. You can upload the file of job description also. Suppose you have the Word file which contains the job description, that is fine. Submit. So submitted. And it has started this. Check the voice quality. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. So voice quality is good. Start interview. Camera and all it will not ask because it's already done,
Hey, hope you're having a great day. My name is Sanjay and I will be your interviewer for this round. Let's begin.
This is Sanjay.
How do you approach learning new technologies or tools?
Okay, so this time my interviewer is Sanjay. You can see for every interview there will be different interviewer that keep you excited to give these interviews, and you really feel that this is real interview happening for you. Okay, I'll just casually answer all of them. So how do you approach learning new technologies or tool? I always make use of YouTube videos. I always go to different online communities and I learn new technologies. That's how I do that, Sanjay. Thank you.
Can you share a specific example of a technology you learned this way and how you applied it to a real-world problem?
Okay, it is asking the related question. Let me answer that. Yes, I learn web services concepts in Tibco BW6 using this particular method, Sanjay.
Tell me about a time you had to work with a team to solve a complex problem. What was your role in the process?
Sure, Sanjay. I was working as a team lead, and basically customer actually bought some proprietary systems which we wanted to integrate. That was really complex to do, So I created a plan. I assigned my senior team member in the related technologies to understand that proprietary system, and that's how we manage that, Sanjay.
Can you elaborate on the specific technologies used in the integration and the biggest hurdle you overcame?
Yeah, Sanjay, that's what. So proprietary format is the major hurdle in integration, and we actually spend a lot of efforts to study that proprietary format and really integrate all of them together, Sanjay. Okay, so that's how my interview is done. And let's see the feedback. I casually answered, all the stuff in the very brief answer. You can elaborate where you can actually appear it as a real interview. So let's have patience till my scorecard gets generated for HR round. Let's see. So for HR round, it's a bit different than the technical round. The sections will be different, communication and all will be there in the HR round. Let's see that. What all sections will be there for the feedback. Okay. So it actually some issue, but it will show you the practice, let me just see if it is appearing in my practice thing. Yeah. Okay, view history. Yes, so somehow you can see that here you will see the HR thing. Now what I can show you is that this is how you can see my HR outcome. This is the same way it will appear. So right now, because of error, it has not shown, maybe some problem with my internet or something, but it will appear like this. Let's say this HR thing, and here it will be Tibco BW professional. According to JD, whatever it asks, it will give you the score and all, and you can get into this view analytics kind of report, and there will be problem solving, communication, teamwork, and it will tell you what went well, what went wrong, what could be better, all that stuff. Okay, you can see teamwork, what went well, what could be better. So you can study this and you can understand how you can give the interview in a more proper way in future. Communication, it is telling you all the mistake, grammar, filler words, speech rate, word repetition, intonation, appropriate. So this time I just modulated my voice little bit, so it is appropriate, otherwise it is boring and all, so it will say monotonous, your voice is monotonous. Question 2, so question wise you can see the analysis is there, and that's how it is there. Now remember friend, how you can use this system. So you can identify a particular JD, and suppose before appearing for the interview, paste that JD in this system and give the mock interview on the daily basis. Unlimited number of mock interview during your subscription period. You will have unlimited number of interviews available. Use the same email ID, registered email ID. And of course, in case if you have any question anywhere, I'm giving here on this video my team's WhatsApp number. I have given my own WhatsApp number. You can ping me anytime. I'm always around to help. To grab this Mockstar system, I'm providing the link in the description. You can go ahead and grab the system, purchase that and get it started. Very reasonable price, very, very reasonable price. You can just get into that and just grab it today. Generally, we do have crunch up accounts all the time. So just check that if you are lucky. Okay. So ping me or my team, or go ahead and in the description, whatever link is there, click on that. You will be able to grab it. So I hope you like the way it help you to practice mock interviews to target a particular JD. Remember that. Okay. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.